Okay, in order to subtract radicals, you have to have like radicals. So as these are right now, you don't have like radicals. I'm going to use the prime factorization method, but you could also look at perfect cubed numbers. So I'm going to go ahead and break down 24. So 24 is 2 times 12, and then 12 is 2 times 6. And then 6 is 2 times 3. So you can double check yourself, but it's 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. If you need to break down the x times y times y times y, that's actually what that means. So when you're taking a cubed root, you've got to have 3 of the same number in order to take 1 out. So you're going to be able to take out a 2, and you'll be able to take out a y. And so we would write that 2y times the cubed root of 3x. Now, I still don't have like roots, but it looks like I could simplify the cubed root of 81x, and that's going to break down into 3 times 3, which is 9, times 3 times 3 times x. And so it looks like I do have a pair of, 3, not a pair, because I'm looking for the cubed. So I have 3 of a number, and so I can take out a 3. So I already had a y, so that's going to become minus 3y times the cubed root of 3x. Well, now notice I have like radicals. So think about 2y minus 3y. What if you had 2y minus 3y? You're going to end up with a negative y. Now this root, the cubed root of 3x, isn't going to change. It's literally like you were doing 2 yo-yos minus 3 yo-yos gives you a negative 1 yo-yo. That like radical doesn't change whenever you combine like radicals.